Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Baseus Storm free earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. So to do this you have to charge the earbuds and the charging case for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, all you have to do is just to open this charging case, and right now they'll move to the pairing mode automatically. And next you have to go for the system settings. Next, go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. And here select add device, and of course we have to select Bluetooth device. Now from this list you have to select your earbuds, so just wait until they pops on the list. As you can see, they appears, so click on them once. And right now we are successfully connected. At the end you can manually switch the microphone. So we have to go for the sound settings. We have to turn them on. Yeah, as you can see right here, we have to select the Baseus Storm free to use the microphone of our earbuds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.